The next award we're going to focus on is the Community Builder of the Year. So the Community Builder of the Year award is given to the member who's shown incredible commitment to growing the BTA community. They embody the BTA core values of be real, genuinely care about people, and embrace the journey. And naturally, they attract like-minded entrepreneurs. They strive to give more than they receive and take an active role in helping professionalize the industry. So the nominees for this year are Blaise McDonald, Connor Jones, Dustin Finley, Joseph Halfer, Kevin Boshi, and Scott Foran. The man with a mustache, Benji, is going to announce this year's winner.
Thanks for the intro, JD. Hey, everyone. I'm really excited to announce this year's winner of the Community Builder Award. When I met this fine entrepreneur about a year and a half ago, I just had a feeling that this was a special dude. And so I'm very excited to announce this year's winner is Connor Jones. What we love about Connor is the way that he embodies our core values. What he brings to BTA as a member is phenomenal. Not only what he brings to the meetings that he's in, but what he brings to our member advisory board. He's referred us 2 new BTA members who are both phenomenal, and both of these members are out of state, which just speaks to his desire to share what we do with other people and bring it to the world. So on the screen here as well, you can see some of his phenomenal business performance as well on top of what he does for the community, and really excited to invite to the stage Connor. Congratulations on the award.
Thank you, Benji. Super disappointed I didn't get to meet you in person. We've only interacted virtually and on the phone.
Hang in
but
there
I'm also
soon.
Yeah, we'll get together and do some mountain biking. Super honored by the recognition. I know there's others that are probably more qualified than I am to be an example of a community builder. I'm just grateful to be a part of the community and have access to so many brilliant people. I think my excitement in contributing to this group is because it checks so many boxes for me, and it's answered questions that I've had for years. I was ops manager for a company years ago, and I tried to develop my own systems based on books that I was reading, like the E-Myth or Traction, Ultimate Sales Machine. But then I discovered BTA already had all these systems in place, but more importantly, it had the accountability piece. The phrase that BTA likes to use is holding tension to success and to your goals. And I love that part of it. But the other thing I really love about this community is the lack of ego and the willingness to be vulnerable and helping other people. I come from a roofing industry, and if you know roofers, historically, their egos are huge. It's measured in how many inches you have on the lift of your truck. And just BTA is not like that. I'm astounded at how polite and encouraging everyone is. I think that has something to do with the Canadian influence on this whole group. As entrepreneurs, we're trying to beat the odds. As small business and construction trades, we have some of the highest failure rates in business in general. But I feel like the BTA system and the community almost gives us an unfair advantage. And I want to surround myself with people like you. And I'm just excited to share that and bring others along that have a similar mindset. So I just want to say to the BTA staff, thank you so much for what you're doing and what you've put together. I would not want to continue my entrepreneurial journey if I didn't have this. This is what keeps me going. And then to my peers, I would just want to say thank you so much for your inspiration and your camaraderie. Let's make 2021 an even better year.